Okay. So, our biggest cave in this day, I think. No, that's actually biggest. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Yo. You still feel it of water. Look. Again. Oh. Here are some animals. Look. Look at this guy. See, alive. Alice live here. A snails, bug, and a fillet of water again. Oh yeah. Yo! I'm scared. You scared me. Oh. Let's go. Look at this water. And look up. I like more chairs. Oh yeah. This cave juice beautiful. But this block is fire block, looks like. Snail and bug. Look here, a small waterfall. Oh, coins! Look at this. Here was some coins. Money. I'm going here, watching water. Here was again a really tall place of water, I think. And let's go. Let's go watching some money. And look at this. This is most amazing what I've seen. Yo! Some rocks. Let's take something cool. Let's try pancake. Oh yeah! I do it, guys.